Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Battlefield could be FC25 or even other games, okay? So first up, what you'll do is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, of course. Now what we're going to do next is just go ahead and type down interception, okay? Again, interception GitHub. There you go. So just hit on enter. Now what we're going to do is just click on the first search result, Oblitum interception. So just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and scroll down. Go ahead over to releases. Right here, click on the latest release. Now scroll down and click on interception.zip. So click on it because we're going to download this one. Click on desktop. Make sure that you save it on your desktop. Hit on save. Okay, wait for it to fully download. Once that's done, close the browser. Here we have the zip file. Right click. Unzip it. Extract here on your desktop. Okay. And you will have this file. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and double click on interception folder. Go ahead and double click on command line installer. Now go to the top, click on the address bar, right click on it and hit on copy. Now once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the file explorer. Now go to your search bar right here, type down CMD. Now run this one as administrator. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. Once you have your CMD or command prompt open, just go ahead and type down CD space, then Control V. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and type down dir. This one is directory. Okay. So hit on enter. Now you'll be able to see these commands right here or text. Okay. So what you're going to do next is just go ahead and type down install -interception.exe space /uninstall. Okay. Again, install -interception.exe space /uninstall. Once done, just hit on enter. Now it says here interception command line installation tool. It says error deleting keyboard driver. That's fine. What you got to do next is just go ahead and type down exit, hit on enter. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you'll be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.